In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could join a free private server here in Bizarre Lineage quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you want to farm arrow stands, raids, quests, or evolutions without random players interfering, you can actually join a free private server through the Roblox game page. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is obviously back out of Bizarre Lineage and go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this. Essentially, just go to roblox.com/home and sign into your account up at the very top. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and search for Bizarre Lineage, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you need to go over to the servers tab all the way over here. Now, obviously, you could see that you could create a private server for yourself for 98 Robux every single month, or what you can also do is scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see all of these servers that you can go ahead and join. What I would recommend doing is refreshing it pretty consistently, and also put it on something like Ascending to see ones that don't really have too many people currently in them. And that's when you can go ahead and join these. Now, obviously, you try and find one that is a little bit closer. If you want to use the region selector, choose somewhere that's close by to where you are. For example, like Dallas, Texas, because I'm located in Texas. But essentially, go through here, join one that works for you, and you're good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do, leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.